So, gonna get a loan this one, the GSX AR. It's, I guess, twin cylinder. And quite excited. This is one of the ones I really kind of want. But just not in black, I wanted one in blue. Right, thank you M&E Motors for, again, loaning this bike for me to try out. Yeah.
The main things about this are the power maps and the quick shift.
Got it.
But it's like the SV, it's just more of everything.
More everything. Thank you. Oh, right. Oh, this is very down low. Okay. Very, very bitey. But it's not super uncomfy. It's very, it's much more lighter, that's for sure. Much lighter than the S1000. It hits the right spot of comfort, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so not as much. Cartridge is quite light. They do have a quick shift on this, so I would love to give it a shot. I'm just wondering, when are these lights going to change? You know, give it some. Can I? Yeah. Oh wow. I like it. I do like this. It's just really comfy. I found it more comfortable, more comfy than the actual. Than the CBR that I test rode the other day. This feels a lot more. It's very. It's not smooth. It just. It's like farting all the way. That's the best way to describe it. It feels like a very intense fluttering sort of sound. You know, it's like it's a twin. So right, but it turns very well. Oh yo. Oh yo. Where are we filling up? Yes, we're back, we're rolling. Ooh, it's very, very hot today. Oh my god! Woo! That was exciting. I love that bit. Alright, so now whoa! Yeah, that's pretty good. That was good fun. I'm loving this machine already. These mirrors are in a good position. They don't vibrate once I'm moving. The S1000's mirrors were just terrible. Sorry, I'm having a lot of fun on this thing. It's just it's a breath of fresh air. Just too bad I can't go any faster than this. Quick shifters on this is equally just great as well. So it's really comfy, easy to use. It just shifts down, shifts up, and there's no harshness in the there's no clunks. The CB750 Hornet, it was just, it was a horrible experience, honestly. The ride itself was fine, it's just the quick shifter is just not built for in comparison to this one. The quick shifter is day and night. It's like a miniature rocket. This is a miniature rocket. I'm not too sure about going long distance on this bike. I can see it being a little bit tiring after a while. You might get tired, but you need time on this bike. Time I don't have, unfortunately, unless I buy it. I love it. Sorry, I keep saying that. I said that so many times, I think. Just where I like it. What I mean, the wind isn't bad at all. Honestly, I don't feel the wind on my face, on my helmet. I have to tuck in a little bit, just this much. It's not uncomfortable. The handles, I can feel a bit of vibrations coming through. very much similar to what I felt on the CBR 650R. The power on this thing is pretty good, even though you say top speed and stuff like that. I honestly think it does very, very well at this sort of speed. Holds well, and I've still got quite a few RPMs to go before I hit 100 or something like that. But I feel like once it gets to the 80 mark and it starts to lose its steam. But again, do you need a bike that goes way over 100? This is more than enough power. It's down low power, I should say, so very usable. It's where you need it mainly. And does the bike look good? Ooh. Ooh, I love that. Wait. God. Ow! Okay, so I need to rev it higher. Okay, so gear 1, 2, I think the quick shifter is not as effective as higher gears. Watch this. There we go. See, so I think from gear 1, 2, 3 is not good. 4, 5, 6, I think it works with quick shifters, but I think you need some assistance from the clutch on the lower gears. Yeah. Okay, so we need a higher RPM on the lower ones just to make sure it works out. Gear 3 still holding. That shot. Back on track, I think. Gotta slow down once again. Gotta slow down once again. Whew, my hands are starting to hurt. Ooh, shaky, shaky mark. There we go. I forgot I have a quick shifter on this. Yeah, I love that speed bit. This bike just pushes off. You know what I mean? It's just when you want to go, it goes. It just. But I wanted to go longer on this one because this is one of the bikes I am considering as a future purchase, possibly. This or the AS. Hi Honda! Oh, is this something got ice cream over here? Oh, it's closed. It's got ice cream over here as well. Oh god. Alright. Okay, so I'll get to have a little break and then we'll be back in a second. Right, we're back again and head off through the country parts. Where did I put the keys? There you are. There you are, hiding in there. There we are. We're gonna start the bike up. Let's give it a listen. Do you see that's a start up? There we go. Is it starting up now? Oh, wicked. Okay, to start like here. Huh. I'm missing something. Oh, I'm gear 1, that's why. Now we go. One thing I need to check on. Does this have a mode button? If I hold the mode button, does anything happen? No, nothing happens. But if I push up, does anything happen? Yes, it does. RPM set, QS set. So this is QS and oh, it says on and off. That's all you've got. On and off. Okay. RPM set. RPM up to 9. Yeah, I don't really need to mess around with that either. Close. Anyone behind me? No. We are off we go. There we go, bump again. Okay, so we're gonna go straight on. Give them a moment, and then we will shoot off once we get a chance. Let's go. Oh, yep, that's the rev limit. Oh, that's the first time hitting that limit. Whoa, you know, never noticed that before. Hello. So yeah, that was a quick little test to see how fast we can get to 60 or something like that. Unbelievable. Welcome back. This is the last bit of the ride for the Suzuki GSX AR. I am taking it back to the dealership now, but it's given me a lot to think about in terms of what bike I want in the future. And at this point, after even sitting on the CBR 650R and sitting on this AR, I don't think sports bikes are for me. It's not terrible. I mean, the feeling of this bike feels good when you do your turns. Very, how do you say? It's just very good in the corners. It holds itself very, very well. And I like the feeling that I get from the sports bike when you're doing those corners. It has a very good feedback from the road. Yeah, that's alright, that felt good. Don't get me wrong, it's a good bike. I don't know if it's because I had a little break and restarted again, but my hands are feeling much better now. The arrows on it is really good. The wind just hits me right here in the neck, and it's pretty relaxed. Overall, my body's not being pushed backwards. I'm starting to miss my SV though, that's one thing. I definitely do actually appreciate a quick shift on the bike. It's just so freeing of the left hand. You know, you can just do this when you're moving, and then you want to go up a gear. It's like, there you go, gear 4. I'm gear 4 now. I didn't have to touch the clutch. Pretty nice. Oh, that's another thing. When I turn my handlebars, is your head unit is completely separate to your handlebars. So with my my SV, at least when you turn your handlebars, you can sort of turn the mirrors, and so it sort of helps, you know, helps me sort of see what's behind me and position my mirrors. Whereas this bike, I can't really position them; they are stuck where they are, you know. Oh, good. It's very fun. It's a lot more power than my SV.